barn find. I got two old motorcycles. I have no idea the names or brands or anything. This one's a 2-cylinder Zuki or something. Paid 50 bucks for them. This one right here will be really easy to fix up. This one looks like it's been totaled or something. Handlebars are all bent. This is my truck for sale right now. See how it does run? It does drive. It has no brakes on it or a title. I just used it to move the bikes out of the way. Yeah. I'm gonna call American Pickers to see what they'll give me for these bikes once. See what they're worth. I don't know. This one right here, it's in gear. There's no shifter for it. So it's kind of a bitch to push. That one right there, all of the brakes are locked up on it. Freaking, yeah. Well, you guys want to hear it revved up? That's what it sounds like when the stock exhaust is rotted off, you guys. Yeah. This one here is all taken apart and shit. Yeah. I think that's a horn. I don't know. Oh, I picked up this bed liner. My truck, it's not one of those cheap plastic ones. It's like really soft rubber. It's nothing I'll slide on. It's off a Chevy long box, but it should work in here. Mr. Dog. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching my video, you guys.